Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Hyundai i20, stock number 6462. This ran from the 4th 2010 to the 12th 2015. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror, right front guard, no dents. Right front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.